Welcome my friends. Welcome to the Witnesses of Flying Knee sect, brutal and effective attack performed by jumping forward and hitting the opponent with the knee. The momentum of the run and the power of the knee strike can result in knockout blows, simple or double. This tool is good for starting or finishing purpose. Good counter versus wrestlers when they leg pass and boxers who duck low. Hitting the temple, chin or chest, flying knee results serious shock. Jumping knee is one of the most effective ways to quickly reduce the distance, even if the strike does not reach the goal or is not as accurate and strong. The fighter is still close to the opponent and can attack in the clinch by strikes or throws. For greater accuracy, grab opponent's head and push towards your knee. Jump as higher as possible for power. If you fall down, stand up and attack again. A jumping knee can use a penetrating trajectory into the body or head, as well as in a bottom up to the chin. Sometimes use the side knee. Add flying knee attacks and counters training in your daily routine. You can block simple knee kick by hands. Use distance and punch for defense. Fight fire with fire. Use knee counterattack at first tempo. Get out from the pocket. Get low and take away from rails. Right fighter attacks with jumping spinning kick. Second does dodging move to avoid jumping attack, but he isn't ready for re-attack by the takedown. Jumping knees and elbows are more likely to land if the guy is coming at you, but sometimes run and fly works only due to the surprise factor. Capoeira fighter always moving around his opponent to have enough energy. Footwork, swing motion, hand moves helps to gain momentum for quick moves and charges. Fighter from the top attacks with jumping spinning kick. His opponent jumps forward to him into the lowest position with two hands on the floor. He dodges and counterattacks opponent's foot with left leg. When he does leg switch and gets out into a standing position.